Okay, we're here at the Taos Farmers Market here in Taos, New Mexico, where all the growers, the farms around here, local from Velarde to Española to northern New Mexico, they all come over here to sell their products, which is all farm raised, farm grown, organic, and we're here to pick something to maybe do some cooking here today. Here I've got some black garlic that was harvested in Vadito, New Mexico. This is perfect for you. It's really good for you. All the nutrients are there. It's really sweet. Black garlic. Purple potatoes over here. Have you guys ever seen a purple potato? It's perfect. When you peel them and you cook them, they don't stay purple, but they're really delicious. Really, these are beautiful. Mendez produce here at the Taos Farmers Market, where everybody here in New Mexico, or actually northern New Mexico, they come and they get their greens here and they plan their menu to cook the menu from these local ingredients here. We can make so many good, delicious food and good for you. This is an assortment colored fresh green beans. Perfect healthy ingredient. You cut the edges off, you blanch them in water, hot water, shock them with ice water, and then you begin your cooking process. You can do butter, garlic, little salt. They're perfect for any side dish, for any meal that you're making. It's a really good nutrients right here. Has anybody ever had avas? I mean, we used to grow these when we were a kid. I still have some at home. I'll take a picture of them soon, but I'm growing these avas. They're perfect for stews, and actually when they're green, you can eat them right off the plant. They're really healthy for you. I'm here with my good friend Joe Verduzco, who's the owner of Pepe Salsa. He makes the best salsa here in northern New Mexico. So he's just to let you guys know, he sells a really good Pepe Salsa. If you're ever around here, buy his product. He's really good. Here we got some chanterelle mushrooms. These are wild grown here in the northern New Mexico. They're golden. They're perfect for stews, sauces, gratons, anything that you can cook with. These are the best. This is gold right here in this region of Taos, New Mexico, here at the Taos Farmers Market. Here we go at the farmers market with the Copper Pot Farms. Got plenty of fresh basil. Plenty of things you can do with basil. We can do tomato sauce. You can do ice cream. You can do pesto. They have a little sample of the pesto.
Basil and chard. These are pounds of
Okay, here we got some fresh squash blossoms from the Pacheco Farms. This is perfect to make squash blossom quesadillas. I've actually filled them with ricotta cheese and green chili and deep fried them. It's a perfect combination, a perfect food. It's another way to utilize your zucchini and your calabacitas blossoms. Very delicious. Okay, we're gonna wrap things up here at the Taos Farmers Market. This farmers market goes in up until the end of August. Come on in and get all your ingredients for all your New Mexico food recipes, and get all your healthy, so you can get all the right ingredients in your body. Until next time, thank you.